Hello students, today we will study the basic of animal classification. In this lecture, we will study about the concepts of protozoa, parazoa, mesozoa, metazoa, and about the level of organizations present in the animal kingdom. Level of organization is important for classifying animals. Now see, when we use the term protozoa, parazoa, mesozoa and metazoa, are they all animals or they belong to the different phylum? So we have to remember about the systematic position of these terms, the taxons, protozoa, parazoa, mesozoa and metazoa. If you see protozoa, first thing which you have to remember is that protozoa is not included in the animal kingdom now. Protozoa is not included in the animal kingdom now. So, what are protozoans then? What is the concept of Protista? What kingdom classification we follow now? So, if you see, now we follow the 6 kingdom classification. The 5 kingdom classification you have studied. Now we follow the 6 kingdom classification. And above the kingdom, we have another group now, which is called as the domain. We will study this domain and the 6 kingdom classification in the later part of this lecture. Now see, protozoa, they are not included in any animal kingdom. They are a part of phylum Protista. So in the 6 kingdom classification, the phylum Protista includes the protozoans. The protozoans are unicellular, eukaryotic and heterotrophic animals. They perform all sorts of basic functions like a metazoan animal. So they perform all sorts of basic function like a metazoan animal, but they are not placed in kingdom Animalia. They are placed in kingdom Protista. Why? Because they are unicellular or acellular eukaryotic cells. Now, acellular is not something that the cell is not present. Acellular was a term given by a scientist to specify the physiological division of labor, that a single cell performs all the function like an adult body, adult multicellular organism. Now see, the multicellular animals or the multicellular eukaryotic animals are classified under the kingdom Animalia. So we have to remember that protozoa is unicellular, eukaryotic, but it is not included into kingdom Animalia because kingdom Animalia includes the multicellular organisms or the multicellular eukaryotic animals. So the animal kingdom is divisible into 3 taxa on the basis of number of cells which constitute the body of animals. These groups are called parazoa, mesozoa and metazoa. Meta is multi and zoa is organism. So multicellular organism. And since all metazoans are true multicellular organism, so the term metazoa is also synonymously used with eumetazoa, EU. Eumetazoa. In eumetazoa, EU stands for true. That is the true multicellular organisms. The parazoans and mesozoans are the lowest grade of metazoans, in which multicellularity is the only common feature. We will study this later. Origin. It is believed that Mesozoa, Porifera, that is Parazoa and Plecozoa have evolved from some common unicellular ancestor or Conolian protozoan during early evolution. That is, the origin of Parazoa, Mesozoa and Plecozoa is traced to Protozoa, that is from Protista. Plecozoa and Porifera are more closely related to Protozoa, while Mesozoa, owing to their parasitic mode of life, have undergone excessive transformation. So this is first thing that we have to remember, that protozoans are protist and not included in animal